beside him in the rain or snow. We cut out logs in the winter, moved them out in the spring. Saw lumber in the summer, come Saturday night we'd sing. Now my brother Larry wheeled the sawdust away. Sometimes he'd get ahead and disappear for the day. My brother Carson, he was always hursing around, especially whenever the mill broke down. He had a sense of humor that nobody had. Sometimes he'd even get a little grin out of Dad. Brother Newman said that he just couldn't take it no more. He stayed away from the mill and he worked in the grocery store. Now those days are gone, pass me another beer, while I reminisce those happy years. Every time I see a tree, I tingle in my shoes. Then I get a little bit of Sawmill blues. Brother John left home, gonna be a weatherman, broadcasting weather reports throughout the land. And then there's me, always ahead of the crew, sitting on 2x4s with nothing to do. Now thanks to Mom, there is plenty to eat every day. When the mill broke down, we take a little swim in the bay, and a home-cooked meal was awaiting when the day was done. And when it got dark, we take a little band and a run. Everybody was dancing and drinking and dancing again. I was too young, but I sneaked a little drink now and then. We'd finish at 2, but we started off just around 10. Sunday we rested, Monday at the sawmill again. Now those days are gone, pass me another beer, while we reminisce those happy years. Every time I see a tree, I tingle in my shoes. And then I get a little bit of Sawmill blues. Now it's hard to believe, but we still from time to school. Me, I learned how to be somebody's fool. I still recall the fire of '62, nearly wiped out the mill and the town of Dover too. Now brother Selby was a little young to help, so he played on the beach in the sand and the rocks and the kelp, and a piece of driftwood seemed like a brand new toy. Seems like yesterday when he was just a boy. Now those days are gone, pass me another beer, while we reminisce those happy years. Every time I see a tree, I tingle in my shoes. And then I get a little bit of Sawmill blues. Now those days are gone, pass me another beer,